5 Facts about badgers. 1. All badgers belong to the Mustelidae family. Badgers aren't the only member of the Mustelidae family, though. Other notable animals which are grouped in with badgers include weasels, otters, ferrets, and minks. The Mustelidae family is an incredibly diverse group of animals, with some 50 to 60 species. It's so large, in fact, that it's the largest family of carnivorous animals. 2. We have many different names for badgers. In North America, a young badger is called a kit, while a male or female badger is simply a male or female badger. European badgers have completely different names, though. A European female badger is called a sow, a male badger is called a boar, and a young badger is called a cub. The most common collective noun for badgers is a seat, but they're commonly called a clan when it's a colony of badgers. 3. Badgers live underground in holes called sets. All types of badgers live underground in tunnels that they dig, but not all live in groups. Both the American and the honey badger live most of their lives as solitary animals, so their sets would be much smaller. During mating season, these more solitary badgers will temporarily increase their territory. European badgers are quite different, often being found in large clans. On average, European badgers are found in groups of 6, but there are records of groups as large as 23 all living in one set. 4. There are a few different theories behind the history of the badger's name. One of the most commonly held ideas is that the word badger comes from the older word badger, as in something which has a badge on, in this case, a white one on the forehead. Another commonly held origin is that the word badger comes from a French word that has connections to the adjective digger. The word for a badger in Welsh, mokenbayer, is much more interesting, as it quite literally translates to earth pig. 5. Badgers are very clean animals. All badgers live underground, so it would get very messy down in their sets if they weren't quite cleanly animals. The good news is that they are. They replace old and worn-out bedding that they accumulate in their sets and have separate communal bathrooms, which they dig far away from the main part of their burrow. The only thing is that their poop is a little bit pongy, as they also use it to mark their territory.